Let's talk for a minute about the oil tank before we install it. This is the bottom bolt that goes into the battery box assembly to secure the bottom of the tank. It's a bad idea. The original one, this is the original bolt that came out of here. It goes through this little grommet spacer, which fits inside this old crystallized rubber shock absorbing grommet. What happens is this thing is tied down tight, and with the bike vibrating, the engine vibrating, don't forget that the tank is rubber mounted, but this it breaks it. Let's just cut to the chase. This guy gets beat to heck, and it cracks right around that bolt. And so you have a bike that's leaking oil and you can't figure it out. You cannot find it, cannot find it, cannot find it. Believe me, this little setup right here cracks. So I take these out, okay? I take a 7/16 bolt, National Fine Threads, it fits just fine, okay? And a piece of nice thick rubber. And I put this together with this here to support the tank, this going through it to act as a shock absorber, and the tubing on the bolt to act as a cushion inside the hole, of which I'm going to show you now on the other side. Let's go over to this guy's side. This guy goes through this hole like this. All right, excuse me, I'm going to put this on top. Yeah, this actually goes on top.
Right.
So if I can get this to one hand up there. Okay, thank you. Okay, now the bolt goes through. Go ahead and stick that through the bottom hole. Yeah. Okay, sort of like that. It sort of hangs. This guy goes on top of it to be a spacer. I could have put it in from the top.
Yeah, oh well.
Okay, so it goes in like this. And then that goes into the tank until it stops. Okay, I got it.
But
And yeah, I see you're pushing it.
I'm pushing the
Okay,
bolt back.
and basically it hangs on the bottom of the tank and does this. This supports it, this picks up the vibration, and this doesn't clamp the tank down to this bracket, and it doesn't break. So it's just a way of avoiding a future problem with the bottom of the tank cracking and having to take the tank out and have it welded, of which I have done several. So anyway, for what it's worth, that's a way to make the tank mount a little bit better.